So guys, we will be reacting to the Indonesians' food, their meals. Leave for me in the comment section below what you think about this food. And if you're Indonesians, let me know if it's bland, salty, savory, sour, sugar, spicy, peppery. Tell me, let's get to know about your meals and their names in the comment section below. Thank you. Let's head on. Have you subscribed? Please smash the red subscribe button, like the video, comment, and share. God bless you real good. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the time is. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ta-da! You're welcome to the liveliest and the happiest channel on the streets of YouTube. You want to consider smashing the red subscribe button, liking the video, commenting, and sharing. Thank you. Without much ado, let's head right into that video. Thank you. That's a soup, right?
Itu diambil dari kata rembuk yang artinya itu bermusyawarah atau berkumpulnya para raja-raja. Sate rembige itu dulu dihidangkan untuk para raja.
Oh, it feels like Nigerian suya.
Masyarakat bisa mencoba.
I love Indonesians.
Banyak orang mengenal Pulau Lombok. Tak hanya dikenal dengan hamparan keindahan alam yang menawan di sepanjang garis.
If you're an Indonesian in the house and you want to invite me over to your country for summer, here I am, readily available. Let's come.
Tak heran banyak hidangan khas Lombok berbahan daging telah melegenda secara turun-temurun dan menjadi ikon kuliner Lombok hingga sekarang. Satu di antaranya ialah bebalung.
It looks yummy. Honestly, that meal with tomato on top looks yummy. I would like to taste that. Ada. Ada means firstborn in Nigeria.
Makanan yang sering ditemuin di berbagai hajatan atau perayaan tertentu di Pulau Lombok atau bisa disebut dengan begawi.
I wish I understood this language. Wow, that's meat. I love meat.
Biasanya disasak karena memang notabene-nya
She added spicy seasoning.
Memasak, jadi iseng-iseng membuat bebalung ini sendiri. Ternyata
and now she's adding water. See meat.
Biasanya kita mulai masak itu dari
It looks like meat with pepper soup.
Itu biasanya dijual untuk keesokan harinya. Pertama ya biasanya kayak biasa.
Guys, please, what's she explaining? Tell me in the comment section below. Let's get to know what she's explaining. Is it basically meat that's the food?
Dan bumbu yang sudah disiapkan tadi.
Is it like a meat soup or something?
Latar belakang kita.
What do you guys eat this with? Indonesians, what do you eat this with? Do you pair it with rice, with corn maize? I don't know. It feels like Nigerian pepper soup. Yeah.
Kami berharap untuk warung kelebet sendiri semoga lebih diminati, lebih digemari, dan harapan saya untuk kuliner Lombok ini bisa dilestarikan oleh kita-kita.
Guys, I'm sorry. At this point, I had to pause. If you're a Nigerian, you know what to call Nigerian pepper soup. It's a watery soup that has proteins in it. And it's a bit spicy. It helps in cold weather. We eat it with rice, yam, some eat it with swallow, and so on. It gave me that feeling while watching it. I feel like eating pepper soup and rice now. Guys, what is this meal called in your Indonesian country? I would really love to know, and I would like to try this when I get to Indonesia. Hopefully I get there someday. Thank you. Let's head on.
Yang generasi muda.
Cita rasa bebalung yang segar dan
is the protein for me.
Membuat rasa lama terngiang dan
hot. I hope it's gonna be spicy too.
Daging sapi yang berlimpah tak hanya diolah menjadi bebalung saja. Ada pula yang mengolahnya menjadi sajian pedas manis yang nikmat.
Meat. That looks like Nigerian suya, the stick meat. What's it called in Indonesia? Please let me know. If it were to be in Nigeria, it is roadside stick meat, suya.
Sate rembige itu sate daging sapi khas Lombok. Rembige itu
What's the sauce? What's that thing?
Musyawarah atau
Is that
berkumpul
sugar they're adding, salt or flour? I'm confused.
para raja.
Is that supposed to be a
Sekarang sudah
thickener or something?
coba. Yang
Ah,
membedakan
this
sate
meat.
dengan sate
I
lain
love the way they prepare the meat. I think that's the meat sauce.
ayam. Kita tuh pakai beberapa
Okay, now I understand. They soil it with the meat, then
distribusi nasi itu dari
they,
88 ya.
I think they leave it to marinate or something, then put it on a smoky fire.
Jalan akhirnya dapat tempat, disuruh nempatin ke tempat orang. Lama perjalanan, laris sampai 25 tahun. Alhamdulillahnya sekarang setelah pindah dapat beli tempat sendiri.
In Nigeria, I don't like this type of suya because when they put jara, I like the one that is not in stick. That one they'll cut, give it tasty, put jara, but this one is one.
Mau tetap jadi legendaris lah, makanan khas Lombok. Ya, bisa berkembang lah nantinya, bukan cuma di Lombok.
Indonesians in the house, or those who have eaten this, how will you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10? The sight alone is giving me 10 over 10 vibes.
Kasih buat ibu
I don't know the taste.
sudah mewariskan resep khas
What do they eat it with? Do they just eat it like that, or
depannya nanti.
with a meal, or it's a meal on its own?
Sate remiga khas Lombok ini.
Meski disajikan tanpa sambal pelengkap, namun rasa pedas manis yang meresap dijamin memicu perasaan gembira dikala menyantap sate rembiga. Nikmatnya sate rembiga yang sudah dikenal dan menyebar dari ujung barat hingga ujung timur Indonesia menjadi kebanggaan masyarakat Rembiga.
Hold up. Guys, I just saw something there that busted my mind. They're actually using a standing fan to fan up flames in that, I think that should be charcoal, to generate heat for the protein, for the meat they were roasting. Nigerians, did you see that? I don't know how they came to decipher this idea from separating it from the old analog way of using your hand to fan. In Nigeria, up till date, they still use hand fan or something to fan smoke for roasted boli, roadside food, suya, and so on. Guys, are you seeing that? If you're a street food seller in Nigeria, go get a standing fan beside your smoke and fan up that boli. It's gonna help rather than using your hand and your energy. I never thought of this. But come to think of it, is it going to fan when it's outside, or it must has to be in an enclosed space? Let's continue.
Ya, selain didominasi oleh kuliner bercita rasa pedas dan segar, Lombok juga memiliki sajian pelengkap yang menggenapkan kegembiraan menyongsong hari raya, kue cerorot.
That looks like maza in Abuja.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Asti Kusumasari. Keseharian saya adalah sebagai produsen kue basah, terutama kue cerorot. Kue cerorot itu adalah kue tradisional khas Lombok yang terbuat dari tepung beras. Kulitnya itu terbalut dari janur kelapa. Bentuknya itu seperti trompet mini. Teksturnya itu
Is that rice they're measuring?
kenyal. Kalau menurut orang Lombok, filosofinya itu kan dari kulitnya aja kita lihat nih ya, kan kulitnya itu kan melingkar, panjang, kayak gitu. Harapannya itu supaya setiap orang
Please guys, what she's saying, leave me in the comment section, please.
mendapatkan kesulitan dapat menyelesaikannya dengan baik. Cerorot itu sendiri kan juga terbuat dari kelapa. Kelapa itu kan kita tahu banyak manfaatnya, mulai dari serabutnya, batangnya, daunnya. Jadi siapapun yang mengkonsumsi cerorot itu sendiri,
That doesn't look like rice. It looks like shredded coconut.
keunggulan kue cerorot di tempat kita nih, kita tuh pakai bahan-bahan fresh semua, mulai dari kelapa, kita tuh pakai kelapa utuh.
Guys, what do they do with this? Do they just take the chaff, or they make use of the coconut milk, the water being extracted from it to cook something, or it's just basically milk?
Bukan dari pemanis buatan, jadi semuanya tuh bahan-bahannya tuh alami semua.
Indonesians, you're all blessed. Oh, she's using the coconut milk to make a soup.
kita hantar-antar ke pasar-pasar.
What do they do with that leaf corn?
Langganan kita sekitar Mataram. Terima kasih buat Enek sama Ibu juga terutama karena udah kasih gitu loh pengalaman, benar-benar pengalaman berharga di kue cerorot ini, dapat rezeki yang benar-benar sedemikian.
Agidi jollof.
Harapan kedepannya melestarikan kue tradisional khas Lombok. Semoga kue cerorot ini bisa bertahan.
I think they cook it till it congeals. It has to coagulate to form the thickened filling.
Surga tropis yang menjadi identitas Lombok tak hanya menyajikan pemandangan alam yang menawan, tetapi juga menawarkan warisan kuliner yang menggugah selera. Beragam cita rasa pekat pedas yang nyaman di mulut, sajian.
It's their fabric, their road, street food. It's a beautiful experience. I hope to be in Indonesia someday. It's lovely. Beautiful. Oh, I love this video. Honestly, I love this video. So guys, that's a beautiful vlog to watch. So guys, that's a beautiful vlog to watch from the Indonesians. You get to see their street food and everything in between. I love the Indonesians. I love the street food. There's so much similarities with that of my Nigerian foods. It gives me joy getting to watch this. It brings back memory. And I love this video, guys. If you love this video, please smash the red subscribe button, like the video, comment and share, and God bless you. But if you know what they said in the video when they're speaking the language I really don't know, please comment down below in the comment section. And guys, if you know these meals, their names, please leave us in the comment section below so I'll get to know about your culture, your tradition, your street foods, your foods, the one you eat in the restaurants, at home, and everything. Those Indonesians on my channel, please, what's your staple food in your country? I would like to know. Like in Nigeria, we have rice, beans, gari. Those are basically our staple foods. So what about yours in your country? Leave for me in the comment section. And please tell me where you're watching from. I'd like to know you. Don't forget to smash the red subscribe button, like this video, comment, leave a comment. If you don't know what to write, just say, thanks, Jessie. I'll appreciate. Thank you. From me to you, kisses. Stay blessed. Jesus loves you. Stay subscribed and come back to watch my video again. I love you guys. See you in my next video coming up shortly after this one. Bye bye.